That is where I have problem with the person. Like I said, I'm not here to support killing or or attack on any ethnic group or anyone at all. I don't support violence. But if we condemn something that is not good, let it be. I mean, everything that is not good. Not when Mr. A commits evil, then you now target evil and you remember that, oh, there's a law mapped out for anyone that commits such thing. But when Mr. B commits the same thing, and don't worry, it doesn't matter, let's forget about it. No, 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 no. That is where I feel that is injustice, and that is where I don't support, that kind of call. Now we are going to go through series of posts. Okay, I've been trying to avoid, making a video about one ethnic group or another. I just want to be neutral and make sure that we call a spade, whether it's committed, that evil is being committed by Yoruba man or Hausa man or Igbo man, anywhere. Evil is an evil. There's no division of evil that says this evil is being meant for one ethnic group. I think we don't have such thing. But for some of us that believe we do have that kind of thing, that's their choice. Now, this woman, like from one of the posts that I saw, trying to explain what the woman was actually writing on, that the woman listened to some of the audio people that have in Twitter space against Igbo people and against P2B and all that, how they want to send Igbo out of Lagos and all that. And she said that she have had enough, that Igbos are kind of weak in response to online war and social media battle and all that, that she don't mind starting it from her end. Okay, that is very, very wrong. And it doesn't represent anybody, any decency. It doesn't represent, you cannot promote that kind of thing. It's very wrong. If you think that somebody have done something bad, don't tag ethnic group, don't even use that kind of method to approach that kind of person. There's many ways to kill a rat. You don't use war where you don't need to use it. I mean, it's irrelevant. Some people will bag and talk, barking like a dog and all that. They won't have anything. They don't have any teeth to bite. So why will you waste your energy in that, responding to that kind of thing? To me, I believe that sometimes you use silence to respond to people, but since they decided to drag the woman on social media and drag everything, let's go into that, because there are some people that have committed that kind of thing that she did, and none of them were made any video or were kind of calling for their head. Let's start this, and I want to pay very good attention. Just watch this. So just like I told you that the woman said this. Look at it here. It is time to start poisoning the Yorubas and the Bini. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey kpai one by one. Why I said that I don't think that this woman is a Igbo woman, is because he said Bini and all that. But whether Bini or not, that's not the issue. What she said, if at all she said this, because this is just from Daily Time. Of course, we know who controls Daily Time. I don't want to start telling you. You should know. Or if you don't know, then you can do research on your own. That's what she said. Somebody tried to justify this by reminding people what other people have said in the past, like what you can see on this screen. You are bigoted, he said. Online news outlet. That woman was angrily replying some Yorubas who called on African tribes to unite and fight Igbo people. But you bigotedly turned deaf ear. We are fed up with being Nigerian bigots. And I don't know what you meant by that, but what I'm trying to tell you, what I can understand here is that the woman replied to people. Like you remember what I told you earlier, that some people were on X, on Twitter Space, calling for Igbo this, Igbo that. The propaganda they did against Igbo, between Igbo and Yoruba, trying to instigate war and all that. So she tried to reply that, and this is what she got. But like I said, the reply that she gave is wrong. It's condemnable. Condemning it is okay, but saying that, oh, Igbo people are this, and the number of people sharing it, just like they were waiting to see any wrong thing on a Igbo person, then they will not use it. And guess what? In the same Canada, an Igbo man made headline news a few weeks ago. The same Nigerian medias and all of them were sharing, oh, Nigerian man is doing all proud in Canada. But the headline of this woman says, all of them, even the so-called mainstream media, like bigger platform, like Sarah Reporter, Igbo woman, all of them Igbo woman. Now, are we going to deny that she's not Igbo? No. If she's Igbo, she's Igbo. If she's not Igbo, then that's you yourself know why you decide to tag that on Igbo. But whether tagging it or not, like I said, I want to see them condemning something like this. Just hear this.
Quick money, you know what I mean? Blood money. They want to make it because this is their system of life. If they can't make it through fraud, they will make it through powder, or they will unalive human beings to make money. This is their system. All those bad news you hear in Nigeria, those bad news, majority of them, they come from this Igbo clan. My people, Africans, unite and stop Igbo. That is all I want to say. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You make a wonderful.
Thank you very much, my brother Wesley.
Official.
Kelly Brown.
Go ahead, get close to the microphone.
All right. So, good afternoon, everybody. I'm official Kelly Brown. I'm from Edo State, Esan. I'm based in Germany. So, I heard what everybody said about this matter. I'll be watching, I'll be listening. So, you guys have the reason, you have everything to be angry, to be quarrel, you have the right because it's your country. But the one thing I want to say about our people, come here, castigate your own fellow brother. I'm from Edo State. If you want me to speak my language, I speak my language, for you not to say, oh, you are from Igbo.
Oh, yeah, talk. Why are Igbo people pushing powder now? Why are they pushing powder all over the world?
Hey, my sister, let me talk
about that problem. That is what we are talking
Can you
here.
let me talk. You can't cut a word in my mouth because you don't know my age.
Are you defending Igbo or you are against me? I want to know where you stand.
Which part of Islam are you from?
You have a problem.
If you don't hear your language, you cannot say that they born there for Edo land. No mind now by your language.
Can you let me talk when you are talking? You guys are so loud.
You are not Edo man. See Edo man. Defend these people. Your own are today against. You are not Edo man.
I can never be hatred to my fellow country brother.
It's not an Edo man. It's an Esa man. Point of correction. Esa are not Edo.
That's what they do. See Edo. Come outside, talk their mind. Now they go they conny.
There be snakes now. What do you expect from snakes?
Let me talk. You know what is going on, my brother, my South Africa brother. You see all
they want to America, from Namibia, from Zimbabwe, anywhere you come from, run from there. Recently in Kenya, they unalived 4 beautiful girls with promising future. They unalived them just because they want to make quick money. You know what I mean? Blood money. They want to make it because this is their system of life. If they can't make it through fraud, they will make it through powder, or they will unalive human beings to make money. This is their system. All those bad news you hear in Nigeria, those bad news, majority of them, they come from this Igbo clan. My people, Africans, unite and stop Igbo. That is all I want to say. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You make a wonderful.
Thank you very much, my brother.
I believe that you have listened to them and you can see what we are talking about. That most of them that are saying those things, nobody questioned them. I'm not here to tell you that everything that the woman is right and all that. Maybe it is not good to act, beyond your limits. It's not good to start asking for killing of any ethnic group or something like that. It's very, very wrong. It is condemnable. But I want it to start from the beginning. Let's pay attention to what regard the woman to say what she said. This is not to justify what she said, like I always say, but people have done worse than what she said in the past, and nobody called for their head. And now, let me bring to you this. This is premium time, and they said Nigerian government revealed the identity of women threatening mass killing of fellow Nigerians in Canada. I want to make Igbo. They're trying to quote what the woman said, that she want to make Igbo. I want to make Igbo get that heart of wickedness. Una too dey quiet. That is the statement that the woman said, that she want to make Igbo get heart of wickedness, that they're too quiet. The woman said, addressing other participants, enough is enough. If you have any means of tying them, tie them. Come out for road. Amaka Patient, that's her name. This is premium time. But the people that called for killing of Igbo people, even asking for other African nationality to join hands and wage war against Igbo people, nobody knows their identity. Okay? Nobody knows their identity, which is very, very shocking, because many of them that have done things in the past. In fact, let's go through some of them so that you understand what I'm saying. This is just the recent one, not the one of last year, not the one of 2 years, 3 years ago, 2015. No. Now here is because the PM reacted on this. He said, when are they going to arrest this terrorist, or must he live in Canada before they arrest him? And must this threat be issued on TikTok before there will be outcry? Because the woman threat, she made that threat on TikTok. That's why people are now right now that. And this is the man as you can see on the screen saying, Southeast deserve death, not presidency. A Sami senator said this, and that was when Peter B and his group were, all those devil mind was shouting Southeast presidency and all that. And the man replied to them that you deserve death, not. Then ask this man, what does Southeast do to you that you can open your mouth? A well-known figure saying that no police, no DSS whatsoever. Kehinde Adesunga Adekusibi, I believe I pronounced his name very well, as you can see on the screen. Let's kill all Igbos and let's flush them out of Yoruba land. I hate these people with passion. They are violent people. They are worst. They hate us. Let's hate them without holding back. He made a statement when just last year, 2023. Another person is this Engineer Christian. Okay, this one is Engineer Christian is actually an Igbo person trying to counter what they're saying, just like what I'm doing, and debunking them. I said this is funny and at the same time spot on. Till date, those who behind Igbo must go are ghosts. In fact, they are from another planet. Lagos KPD which is a platform that are promoting hate against Igbo people, is still invisible. Okay. The double standard will surely stop someday, and I just hope it does not stop in a hard way. All right, and he made this just this month in response to what they are trending and pushing about this woman. Said this woman did not say this and all that. Another well-known Yoruba man called Bayo Onanoga. Onanoga is a Yoruba man, well-known person, not even someone that you need to start searching his location. He said, I owe no one apology for ethnic slaughter against Igbos. They are threats to Yorubas. That's what the man said, that Igbos are threats to Yorubas. And one thing we can agree on, this is from People's Gazette. So you know, so that the people are just, because the screenshot you are seeing here is from well-known platforms. So you're not going to say, okay, you just created this one. No, the date and everything is there. It is in public, so you can see it on your own, and that is the problem. People don't understand what is going on. You cannot ignore what others have said against Igbo people, because in Nigeria today, whatever Igbo man do is a problem. But Igbo man are handkerchief that anybody can go and clean his hand and nothing will happen. We saw what even Asari Dokubo said with rifle. He came on video and public. The video is in public. Everybody see that. All of them watch him, and he's made it clear. If you are an Igbo, you don't pick those, you don't connect those dots, you are an idiot. I'm being honest. If you don't connect the dot, the hate is there. So when the woman, you know, some people don't understand that someone can provoke you to say what you are not even actually meant to say. And let's be honest. Anybody that will actually want to poison anybody will not come out in public and start saying, "Oh, I want to poison you." Do you understand? So don't take it serious. But we can agree on one thing, that the hate is there and it's growing. In fact, if the hate between Yorubas and among Nigerians, okay, among the not Nigerians, among ethnic groups in Nigeria, all right, if the hate is where if it was maybe 40%, now it is 100. It is an epic level, to be honest, and we cannot pretend that we don't see that. Even this guy called Adenika's grandson, he wrote a book. He published a book just to preach hate on Igbo people. That the police questioned him because he's in the UK. If it happened in maybe somewhere in Nigeria, of course, they will be protecting him. So let's not act as if we don't see what is going on. That we kept quiet does not mean that we don't read what you guys are saying. You don't understand what is going on. And anyway, let me not waste much of your time. I have to thank you so much for staying with me all this while and like the video. Okay, tell me what you think about all we have discussed. This is just for me to let you know that people are not supporting evil, but whenever you see evil, condemn it. Thank you so much, and like the video, comment, and tell me what you think about all we have discussed. Subscribe if you are new, and see you again on my next one. Bye bye guys, take care.